I'm excited. And I know it may not seem like I'm excited due to my tone, but I'm super excited. Today we're checking out a brand new thing that no mouse company has ever done before. It's a heating and cooling mouse. Yeah, that's right. We got air conditioning or something going on in this bad boy. We got cooling and we got heat. No more will your hands be cold or whatever, because you're in control. I don't know. My hand gets sweaty when I play game. In fact, my hand's sweaty already. Anyways, so we're gonna be checking it out. It's called a Black Shark Funcooler gaming mouse. Okay, so heating mode can heat up your hands up to 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit for the Americans out there. And it's got a cooling system and a 4700 RPM fan, 10.3 degrees Celsius or up to 50 degrees Fahrenheit cooling, reducing sweat. Which literally we should be able to show that because I'm a sweaty boy. It's got a PAW 3950, 30K DPI flagship sensor. And it's got dual 8K polling rate for competitive gaming. So that means wireless and wired, and your hand's cool. So pretty sick. My main concern about this mouse would probably be the weight because of all the equipment involved, but I'd be willing to get used to a bit of a heavier mouse if it means that my hand never sweats again. That's huge. Enough yapping about it. Let's get it open, see what it looks like, make sure it all works, and we'll take a look at the temps and see what kind of cooling and heat we can get off of this bad boy, and then we'll test it out in a game. We have a FLIR camera, so we'll be able to show it. Anyways, let's get it unboxed. Okay, we got the Black Shark Funcooler gaming mouse. It looks like it comes with a little charging stand, and maybe the dongle goes in that too. That's kind of cool. Okay, here we go. Wow, isn't it beautiful? Amazing. More layers of deception. What have we got? Okay, we got a nice braided black cable, type A to type C. Respect. It's got a little Black Shark logo on it, so it's not like your default cable. That's cool. It's a little bit longer than the desk. Not bad. That'll do. That'll do. Next, we got the little dongle. Got a little dongle. Respect. It's not about the size, it's about how you use it. We got a little charging stand. Boom. There it is. There's a chance that there's maybe some RGB on this bad boy. There's where the dongle goes in. This is where you set the mouse down onto. Got a little Black Shark right there. That's cool. I just have to do it. Nice. Okay, last but not least, the foam. Just kidding. It's the mouse. Here we go. Whoa. Look at this thing, it's mint. It's got a little thumb rest on it. Oh, that's huge. It's got two side buttons. It's got a vent there, clearly for some cooling. Oh, cooling for your thumb, that's massive. Two mouse clicks up here, scroll wheel, got an extra button here. There's the Type-C port for when you need to charge it in case you lose your dock or you just want to go wired. We got a Bluetooth, a wired, and a wireless option right here. And over here we got cooling, off, heating, looks like. There's just a toggle for it on the bottom. So you don't even need to use the software to use the cooling. I'm about to use that right away. Oh yeah, look at that fan right there, or whatever. That looks like some air be going through that. Look at that. Oh. Dude, this could be perfect for me because I have a big palm. If this actually blows like right here, we're freaking mint, dude. We're mint. I know some people's palm like fits on the top of a mouse and I don't get it. I don't understand it. There's the little prongs for it. How does this work? So what if I just, oh, it's magnetic. It wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. That's what she said. Okay. All right, it fits nicely. Look how close the dongle is to that. Now that's some good engineering. I low-key, not even low-key, I genuinely like this thing. And I haven't even used it yet. But it just like, man, it just makes me feel fancy. It makes me feel premium. Like when I'm holding it, it just feels like I've never heard of Black Shark before or whatever. This mouse could definitely compete, if not exceed, a lot of the mice that are on the market now, even though I've never heard of the brand. So let's do a sound test real quick. So first things first, we're just gonna get a base temperature. I have a temperature gun. It's very accurate, used for air conditioning. It's laser, cool, right? And I'm just gonna get the temperature of it, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on the FLIR or forward-looking infrared. It's basically a camera that shows temperature. Okay. 81.1 degrees. Sick. Now we'll show you the FLIR. So now we're just going to turn on the heat and see how much this thing heats up. And then we'll turn on, oh, it does have RGB. Whoa, hopefully it starts heating. 82, whoa, 94 on the hand part. 99.8, whoa. So there's some heat going on right here. This is, the fingers are still the same, no heat going through there. I mean, you could probably see everything on the FLIR and I just look like an idiot. Okay, yeah, so there's a big old black shark square there. Let's check the bottom. Oh, my hand. My hand appears to be the source of the heat. Got some ghost air blowing. I respect that. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I mean, that's, you know, that's hotter than my hand. So I'll take it. That'll definitely work. Dude, honestly, I'm like holding this and it's very warm. This would be nice for winter. I live in Texas, so it may not be super helpful for me almost ever. But when it does get cold in Texas, it gets freaking cold. It's usually warm here, so not always necessary, but it's good to know that I'd have that option. I'm actually impressed. When I looked at it through the FLIR, I was like, dang. Okay, let's switch to the cooling now. Okay, so now we're gonna switch to cool, which is this one. Switch it up. And now it should start cooling. It was like 99 on the handle. And we're at 76 already on that bad boy. What? 74, 73, 72.5, 70.7. How is this actually cooling? There's no way, because that's not how technology works. It's bound to just be like it has to just be like a fan. It's not like there's refrigerant in this mouse. 68. Oh yeah, you can actually see like legit cooling right there. What is that? Oh. No way. There's no way there's condensation on this. Is there like refrigerant in this mouse? Is this like HVAC? That's insane. Whoa. Dude, that color is like, whoa, what's the temperature on that? $71, okay, but like, dude, that's literally like ice cold. That's insane. There's no way, this isn't real. How'd they do this? That's it. I need to look into this more. I don't know what's happening. Okay, I'm impressed. Okay, let's do a quick spin test on this and see how the skates do. All right, not bad. It's got a nice even weight to kind of help, you know, throw that mouse in a circle. Okay, and then we'll do a slide and hope I don't throw it off the desk. Not bad. Like I said, it's heavy, so it doesn't go too far. I just want to show the RGB real quick. Take a look at that. Nice. Okay, so now we're just going to take it to the setup, plug this bad boy in, take a look at the RGB on it. There's bound to be RGB on it since the mouse has it, and test it out in a game, tell you how it feels. But ultimately, like, I'm very impressed. I thought it was just going to be like a basic fan, but it has condensation. So I don't know what's going on there, but that's like legit cold. Like, that is actually where a lot of the heat is in my hand, is like right in the middle of the palm. So like basically like right where this Black Shark logo is, it's like freaking stone cold Steve Austin right there. It's insane. I'm like legitimately impressed. I thought it was just gonna be a little like bullshit fan, but that's like that's legit cooling. I respect that. If you guys want a mouse that has like legit cooling, definitely check this out, because this thing is sick. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna take it to the setup and we're gonna check out the stand and stuff, and then we'll test it out in a game and see how it feels. My hands are excited and very sweaty. So here is the Black Shark mouse. Take a look. It's beautiful. And we finally have the dock plugged in. And it's working wireless. It's got a bunch of RGB modes. Pretty cool. It's actually pretty bright, like lights up the mouse pad real nice. Boom. And you put your dongle in there, good to go. So I'm just gonna put cooling mode on, I guess, and just get to gaming. So let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna be playing a little Subnautica 2. I got this bad boy cooling switched on. Feels freaking amazing. I got the phone here just to show you guys. Let me show you what it looks like right now. Look at that. It's blue. Take a look. Watch this. Watch how I make my hand cool. Yo, that's proof. Anyways, this feels great. This honestly feels like real air conditioning. I shit you not. Okay, let's hop into Little Subnautica, and I literally have to keep an eye on my hand cam because it will freeze. Like, it's dire at this point.
Body print complete.
Yeah.
Audio implant reset to factory settings.
I ain't worried about nothing because my hand is cool. Yeah. Where am I right now? I just got reprinted, bruh. That's crazy.
Adaptation required.
That's it. Okay. Let me in. Altera. I freaking love Subnautica. All of them. Amazing. Okay, I'm out of here. Just let me have control. I'm going. How do I get there? I'm going. Whoa. Whoa, look at this gel sack. Whoa.
Traits to survive. Sample.
Ew. A little nasty.
Adapting trimethylamine N-oxide synthesis. Pressure tolerance increased. Scanning for necessary adaptation.
Let me out. Let me out, dog. Whoa. What's this? What's that? I'll be taking that. Yeah! Oh, yay! Subnautica.
A serious accident has occurred.
We're fine.
Your sleep bay has been separated from the cicada. You must reach the surface and send a distress course Titans.
We can leave now.
Verify their last
Launch.
certain for
We're
the
launching.
and rebirth
Yes,
inevitable for the
it's
dead.
time.
Use life pod release. Trajectory error.
Wait a minute. This is not the right way. Whoa! Ah!
Thrusters disabled. Clearing main thrusters. Stand by.
Holy shit.
Thruster function restored. Brace for corrective reorientation. Collision. Obstructions detected. Increase thrusters.
Let me out. Let me out. Yeah.
Release firing mechanism failure.
Oh, the parachute didn't work. Let's go. That's huge. Yes.
Wake up.
Ah, such a good game. I'm up, bro. I'm up. I'm up, and my hand cam's still
Starnet
working.
does not recognize the sky. Titan class biosignature on the horizon.
Whoa! Big tree. Big tree. I love this. You guys might not know this, but actually Subnautica is the first game I uploaded on my channel, I think. We're back, baby.
Locating the colony is your best chance of survival.
Just a full
A prolonged search
underwater
will require
game.
food
This is what I
and
need to
water.
keep me calm. Keep me calm, cool, and collected. No stress whatsoever. I'm out of here. I just wanted to check it out. I wanted to see the intro again. I'll show you guys my base now. Here's my base, guys. Check it out.
Noetic advisor has transmitted an alert. Return to the life pod at your convenience.
I got storage. I got a fabricator up in here. I got a moon pool, but no car, but that's fine. That's just an alternative exit. I got 2 of these portable storages on the floor. We got a battery charger, so we don't have to worry about making a bunch of batteries. We got a processor here. Yeah, that's right. We can process things. We can make titanium ingots. We got a biolab where we can, you know, bioengineer some cool skills. We have our info terminal. That's it.
It's pretty basic in here. I got all the cool stuff. Look at this. Also, I have hydroelectric power because solar panels did not work at night. This is my power line. This is my wind turbine. I had to find a current and then I put the wind turbine on it. That's pretty cool or whatever. I made my house like right on a cliff. Just a big old cliff. I also have a diving elevator right here. Check this out. Grab on. I'm gone. Yeah. Now I'm down here now.
30 seconds.
I just do this for funsies. I'm going. Oh my god. Am I gonna make it? Yeet. I made it. That's huge. Thanks, Queso. Yeah. So yeah, this is my domain. No one else is allowed here. Whoa. Dude, this game is so beautiful. Just look at this. Like, look. Just look around. Look at that. Where else are you going to be able to see something like that? Or that? You know what I mean? Or just be underwater. Look at all this. It looks way cooler at night. It's also super scary. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So, you know, I figured I'd show you guys a little bit of Subnautica 2 since it looked really fun. I decided to play it. I played all the other Subnauticas. They're some of my favorite games like to have ever been made. So no ad or anything. Just huge shout out to Subnautica because it's a really awesome game. And I figured, you know, why not? So if you're interested in the mouse, make sure to check them out. They got cooling. They got heat. They got cool RGB. They got everything you could need over there. Your hand ever get sweaty during gaming? Not anymore. Hope to see you guys in the next tech review. If you're interested, click the link in the description and I'll see you in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks for watching.